Hello and welcome to this video. What is Alteryx? Alteryx is a software solution that allows users to quickly access, manipulate, analyze, and output data. Alteryx empowers analysts to prep, to blend, and analyze data faster with hundreds of no-code, low-code analytic building blocks that are easy to configure. To install Alteryx, we need to visit the link displayed on the screen. This is the Alteryx website, and there is an option for free trial, so you can click on the free trial button here. There are different download options for the Alteryx designer. So if you're a new user, you can get a free 30-day license. So you click on this button here to download. If you're an existing licensed user, you use that one. And if you're a student, educator, or career changer, there is an option here for you. But I'm going to go for the first option, which is the new user option. So I'll click on the download. This will give me 30-day free trial. So I click to download. For 30 days, it tells you on the left here, you'll have access to the desktop designer, and it tells you what you can do. Before you can download the software, you need to complete the form on the right. Once you've entered all your details in the form, just click on the confirm button. The file automatically downloads, so this is the file here on the bottom left hand corner of my screen. So double click to run the installation file. There are two installation options. The second option is the full version, so that's the one I'm going to install. So I'm going to check the radio button for the second option, and under the language settings here, you can click on the drop down and select your language if your language is not English, and then click next. I recommend you accept all the default settings and click next. Accept the license agreement and click next. Click on the next button to continue and next again. The installation is now complete. If you want to run Alteryx now, you could leave the check next to this box. I'm going to uncheck it. I don't want to run it now. And then I'll click on the finish button. Alteryx automatically places an icon on your desktop. In this video, I gave you a quick description of what Alteryx is and also installed Alteryx. Thanks for watching.